Economic Freedom Fighters namhlanje ivulele icala obengumphenyi ozimele uPaul O'Sullivan esiteshini samaphoyisa eKapa. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi eshiye isigcawu sekomiti lesikhashana lasephalamende eliphenya ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo ku-SAPS kanye nokuqambukela kosombusazwe kwezobulungiswa ezenziwa ukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi.
Mr. O'Sullivan.
The question that I have for him is,
Mr. O'Sullivan.
he wanted
U-O'Sullivan ushiye lesigcawu sasephalamende yize amalungu alo abengakaqedi ukumpheka ngemibuzo ethi ujahe indiza. I-EFF ithi ukuziphatha kuka-O'Sullivan akwamukelekile futhi kukhombisa ukudelela nokwephula imithetho yokusebenza kwephalamende. Leli qembu lifuna abuye ezoqedela ubufakazi bakhe.
uPaul O'Sullivan uye wahamba xa ebona uba ngoku umba uyatshisa and ngokomthetho ebemeleze ahlale agqibe ukuphendula imibuzo yakhe but ngenxeni yokuba ibiye yamongamela imibuzo wazibona into kokuba yena makaphakame wadelela ipalamente ubonisa lonke ilizwe into kokubana akakhathali ungaphezu komthetho kungoko sithi akakho umuntu ongaphezu komthetho.
I-EFF isola usomlomo wephalamende ngokungalisukumeli ngokushesha lolu daba. Iqembu lithi kubonakala sengathi O'Sullivan uvikelwa abathile.
So we are dealing with what looks like a captured parliament that has no interest of the people. Instead, they are protecting someone who even we don't know how he got his citizenship. And if you go through those documents we received from Home Affairs that none of you have asked for, you will see that this man is a fraudster. He has captured our justices. He was training our police. And we are not outraged that a man that has no qualifications at all in criminal justice law in the Constitution was training our police. There's just no shame, there's no outrage, but he was there.
Iphalamende lithi lisazothola izeluleko zomthetho ngesinyathelo sokuthi O'Sullivan abuye azoqhubeka nokuphothula ubufakazi bakhe.